Hey, and welcome again to RV Hitched and Rolling. All right, so we're still at the Virginia Beach KOA Holiday Park, and it seems that they're having a little party today. So we decided, hey, you know what? Perfect time to make another video. So we're just gonna go ahead and stroll over there. I'm gonna pause till we get there and kind of look around and see what's going on. Try to share it with everybody. All right, we'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. I'm here with my wife, and we're heading over. It sounds like they have live music playing over there. They have some tents set up. Looks like a place called DC Smoothie over there, and some kettle corn right over that way. I'm gonna flip the camera around so we can just kind of show you what we're seeing. All right, so see right over here, they have this kettle corn place, something called DC Smoothie. You know, looks like a little party going on over here. There's a guy over here selling like plaques and stuff. You don't mind if I film you? You mind if I film you? All right, so here we are. How you doing?
Good.
Daryl Bedford.
Lee Waterfield, Back Bay Woodworking.
All right. So it looks like he's making some woodwork stuff over here. Wow, this is actually really nice. And you know, I have a friend named Clay. He lives in Nashville. He does a lot of stuff with wood.
Okay.
He'd really appreciate, seeing your stuff too.
Thank you.
Is this your daughter?
This is my daughter, Savannah.
How you doing, Savannah? All right. Hey, I'm just letting y'all know you're gonna end up on YouTube. All right.
Definitely tag us in there.
All right. All right. All right. This is really nice. And your name one more time?
Lee Waterfield.
Lee Waterfield?
Yes.
All right. All right, Lee. I'm gonna definitely make sure I try to tag you in this. All right.
Okay, I appreciate it.
No problem. All right.
That's with a purpose.
All right. Hi. How you doing? You mind if I film you?
That's fine.
All right. So what are you selling here?
Oh, I have 100% poured soy candles. I
Uh-huh.
have homemade dogs.
Oh, wow. All right. So she's making candles 100% soy. And what is these again?
Homemade dog treats.
Oh, and homemade dog treats. All right. So I do have a lot of family with dogs. They would appreciate seeing stuff like this. Thank you for letting me put you on film. All right, so I'm just moving around here. You can see people just enjoying, having a good time. There's Evelyn sitting down listening to some music over here. All right. So I'm moving around. You got little kids over there jumping around. And that seems to be the live music over there. Okay.
Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly where you're gone. Oh, oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun out of the sky. So I hit the road and know
All right. Well, we're gonna step over and see the kettle corn and the DC. All right. So here we have fresh kettle corn. How you doing, ma'am? Can I put you on film? All right. So, ma'am, your name? Kim. All right. So I have Kim here, and she's selling fresh kettle corn.
Correct.
All right, so it looks like she has a lot of varieties here. I'm sure. Oh wow! I think I'm gonna have to make sure I get me some when I'm done filming here. And this is your daughter?
Yes.
Hi, how are you? What's your name? Skylar, that's a beautiful name. I like that. A beautiful name for a beautiful little girl. All right. So anyway, this is her kettle corn tent, and then we're gonna move over, and there's something called DC Smoothies over here. Hi, how you doing? Do y'all mind if I have you on film? All right. So here we are. Everyone just seems to be having fun. So I'm looking at a little menu here, and it looks like they have Chipotle tacos in here. They got different smoothies. We're gonna have to come back and try all of this. All right, well, it seems like that's what's going on here at the Virginia Beach KOA holiday. So we're gonna go ahead and end this so we can try to do a little enjoying ourselves. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you out there on the road. Happy trails, everyone.